Good morning students, welcome to Blue Stars Higher Secondary School online class, class 7, subject physical science, chapter 5, acid, bases and salts. So last topic we will see neutralization. What is that? Neutralizations. First one is the what is mean by neutralization. What is mean by neutralization? So you have any idea? The reaction between acid and base, the reaction between acid and base is known as neutralization. Neutralization means the reaction between acid and base is known as neutralization. In neutralization reactions, to produce a new compound, to form a new salt, So neutralization means the neutralization reaction is defined as the reaction between acid and base is known as the neutralization reactions. The neutralization reactions formed in a new salt, some basic, acidic or basic or neutral in nature. This is the neutralizations. Then already we learned that acid turn blue litmus to red and the bases turn red litmus to blue. Then what are the indicators are used in the neutralization reactions? The indicators are used in phenolphthalein. The indicator is used as phenolphthalein. The indicators are used as a phenolphthalein. That is the neutralization example. For example, how to acid and bases mix it? First one is the acid. Acid plus base. It gives salt and water. So what is the acid? Acid hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid formula HCl plus sodium hydroxide, that is the base. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. This is the acid, this is the base. Acid and bases mixed to form a salt and water. This is a neutralization reaction. This is the acid hydrochloric acid and base sodium hydroxide mixed to form. What is the answer? Sodium chloride and water. What is that? Sodium chloride and water. So this is the HCl plus NaOH. HCl is the hydrochloric acid, NaOH is the sodium hydroxide base. It gives sodium chloride and water. This formula HCl plus NaOH, it gives NaCl plus water. So how to form NaCl? First, this is the HCl, Na plus Cl to form a NaCl, sodium chloride. Next water, this one is the H, this one is the OH. So 2 molecule of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen, it forms the water molecule. This is the neutralization reactions. Next we will see Neutralization in everyday life. Neutralization in everyday life. Next, neutralization in everyday life. First one is the injection method. First one is the indigestion. First one is the indigestion. What is mean by indigestion? First method indigestion. Second one is the ant bite. Third one is the soil treatment. And fourth one is the factory waste. First one is the indigestions. In our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. In our stomach contain hydrochloric acid. In our stomach contain hydrochloric acid. It helps to digest the food. It helps to digest the food. It helps to digest the food. As you have already you learned, but too much of acid in the stomach. But too much of acid secreted in our stomach. Secreted in our stomach. What will happen? To form a indigestion. To form, the stomach causes indigestion. The stomach causes indigestion. First one is the indigestion. Indigestion means in our stomach contain hydrochloric acid. In our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. It helps us to digest the food. Hydrochloric acid, it helps us to digest the food. But too much of acid in stomach secreted. Too much of acid secreted in our stomach. What will happen? The indigestion is causes. The indigestion is causes the indigestion. It causes the indigestion. First listen. In our stomach contain hydrochloric acid. These hydrochloric acid digest the food. Too much of food taken in life, they are secreted in hydrochloric acid more. The stomach causes the indigestion. The stomach causes the indigestions. Next we will see ant bite. So are you understand that indigestion, students? Yes, the indigestion. How to relieve the indigestions? We take an antacid. Antacid means preventing or correcting the acidity. Preventing or correcting the acidity, such as milk of magnesia, which contain magnesium hydroxide. It neutralizes the effect of excessive acid. It neutralizes the effect of excessive acid. Next we will see ant bite. What is mean by ant bite? என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? ant bite னா எறும்பு கடிக்கிறது அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? That is the ant bite. When an ant bites நம்மள எறும்பு கடிச்சிருச்சு அப்படின்னா, it injects the acid from formic acid. The ant inject the skin from acid. Which acid is formic acid? Which acid is formic acid? It injects the acid. Which acid? Formic acid. Which acid? Formic acid into the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist. Neutralized by rubbing moist and packing soda. Rubbing moist and packing soda and zinc carbonate. It neutralizes the ant bite. So first, when an ant is bite, it injects formic acid. It injects formic acid in the skin. Formic acid in skin. It neutralized by rubbing moist. நம்ம இப்போ எறும்பு கடிச்சதும் கை தேய்ப்போம் இல்லையா? அப்படி தேய்க்கும் போது என்ன ஆகும்? ரப்பிங் மோய்ஸ்ட் packing soda, or calamine solution which contains zinc carbonate. So calamine solution, zinc carbonate, these are applied in our skin. It neutralizes the antibiotic. Next, soil treatment. Next one is the soil treatment. Next one is the soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers to make the soil in acidic. Then the farmers are used in the excessive chemical fertilizers to make the soil is acidic. Excess use of chemical fertilizer makes soil become acidic. Makes soil become acidic. Makes soil become acidic. Then plants do not grow well. The plants do not grow well. The soil is, sometimes the soil is acidic or basic. Sometimes the soil is acidic or basic. Then how to treat the soils? The calcium hydroxide and calcium oxide. Calcium hydroxide and calcium oxides. When soil is too acidic, when soil is too acidic, when soil is too acidic, it is treated with the base like base like calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. If the soil is basic, added to the organic matter. Organic matter means compost. Okay. The organic matter releases acid. The organic matter releases acid which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. So listen students, so soil treatment, when soil is too acidic, when treated with bases like calcium oxide add பண்ணணும். Because soil is basic, they added into the organic matter. Organic matter means compost. This organic matter releases acid which neutralizes the basic of the soil. Then next one is the factory waste. Next one is the factory waste. In factory waste, the waste of many factories contain acids. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids will kill fish and other organisms. The factory waste are neutralized by adding basic substances. So acid solution is neutralized by basic substances. That is the factory waste. So neutralization in everyday life. This is the last chapter in acid, bases and salts. Students, I have attached question answer. Select the correct option, true or false. Fill-ups, match the column, give reasons, short answers, 2 marks, short answer 3 marks and 5 marks. These questions are attached into the PDF files. All of you write in your classwork note and read daily portions. Thank you.